Today we're going to make an orange croissant breakfast bake, a perfect dish to make the night before if you're having brunch or going to a brunch. We're going to start by cutting our croissants into 1-inch cubes and then placing them in our baking dish. Now that we've filled the baking dish with the cubed croissant, we can start with the egg mixture. To a large bowl, I'll add the brick of cream cheese that I've microwaved for a minute to soften it up. And to it, I'll add half a cup of sugar. Mix the two together until smooth. You can use a hand blender to do this if it's easier for you. But since I've softened the cream cheese in the microwave, it's going to stir very well. And then I'll crack in the eggs, one at a time, and then whisk it in. Then you want to whisk in your milk. I'll also add the zest of an entire orange. And lastly, a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. So I'm going to whisk everything together. To assemble the dish, you'll want to start with the orange marmalade. Start by spooning some orange marmalade on top of the croissants. Not just on top, but you'll want to get it in there, mix it up a little bit. And when the marmalade is evenly distributed in the baking dish, we'll start pouring our egg mixture over the croissants. Make sure that they're all getting some of the mixture. And if you're a fan of chocolate oranges, you can take some chocolate chips and sprinkle them on top. So to bake it in the oven, we want to cover it in a foil, just loosely. We're going to place it in our preheated oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes in the oven, take the foil off, and then back in the oven it goes to get it nice and caramelized. Look at that amazing caramelization on the croissants with the marmalade and the custardy texture on the inside. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.